Это газ? Вроде бы. And brake. Hello guys, my name is Dasha and this is EnRu language school. Today you are going to learn a lot of vocabulary connected with the topic cars and driving. Let's get started. The steering wheel, the gear shift, P for park, R for reverse, N for neutral and D for driving. Emergency brake or parking brake, the dashboard, the rear view mirror. If you are driving and the sun is shining straight to your eyes, you can use the visor. Of course, you need to be safe in your car, and in this case, you use seat belt. If you have an emergency and you need to pull over, turn on your hazards. The license plate, gas pedal and brake. Trunk, the gas tank. This is where you can get the gas. The windshield wiper, the headlights, the hood, the horn. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, give us likes and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe!